If you're planning an online summit, live event, or workshop, there's a high probability that you have come across HeySummit, Eventbrite, and also SignUpGenius. All three help you organize and manage events, but they're built for very different audiences. In this tutorial, we'll be comparing HeySummit, Eventbrite, and SignUpGenius. Go over their features, pricing, and who each platform is built for. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly which platform fits your next event. Let's get started. Before diving in, I want you to know that I've included links in the description that you can use to sign up to a few of these platforms, and I've also included a special discount for one of these platforms. So be sure to check them out, and it will help to support the channel. Now let's dive in. What is a summit? A summit is a virtual and hybrid event platform built for creators, businesses, and organizations hosting online summits or webinars. It gives you everything you need, from speaker management and landing pages to ticket sales and integrations with video platforms like Zoom and YouTube Live. This is great for online conferences, multi-speaker summits, and virtual events that need registration pages and session tracking. Some standout features when it comes onto HeySummit include ready-made event websites and landing pages, speaker management dashboard, multiple sessions, ticket types and time zones, integration with Zoom, Vimeo, or YouTube, analytics for attendee engagement and revenue. Now what is Eventbrite? Eventbrite is one of the most popular event management and ticketing platforms used globally. It's perfect for both in-person and virtual events, from concerts and workshops to conferences and fundraisers. You can publish your event, sell tickets, and promote it all from one dashboard, which is great for public or paid events, both online and offline, where you need easy ticketing and promoting. Some standout features include free and paid ticket setup, custom event pages, built-in event marketing and email tools, and integration with Zoom, Meta, and MailChimp, and attendee tracking and mobile check-in app. And last but definitely not least, SignUpGenius. SignUpGenius is a simpler event coordination and registration tool, mostly used for volunteer management, school events, or small community gathering. It's focused on sign-up forms rather than ticket sales, which is great for volunteer events, fundraisers, schools, and small teams that just need easy scheduling and sign-up management. Some standout features include easy drag and drop sign-up forms, RSVP and reminder tools, no ticketing or payment fees, so optional PayPal integration is there though, group management and private invitations, and it is ideal for local or non-profit events. And if we were to quickly talk about some key differences of these platforms, for example, when it comes on to HeySummit, it is built for virtual and hybrid summits with multiple speakers and sessions, while Eventbrite on the other hand is built for professional public events with advanced ticketing and marketing tools, and SignUpGenius is built for simple volunteer and community signups without complex setup. So in short, HeySummit is for virtual events, while Eventbrite is for ticketed events, and SignUpSummit is for simple signups. And if we were to quickly look at their pricing, when it comes onto HeySummit, typically you would pay $29 per month, and it can go up to $99 per month. But I'll be leaving a link in the description which will allow you to pay once, and you'll have access to HeySummit and its features for a lifetime. In fact, you can get started with HeySummit, as you can see right here, for as low as $89. So you'll pay $89 once, and from there you'll be able to host events with up to 1,500 attendees, and you'll be able to host 3 active events, as you can see right there, and numerous other features. And it can go up to $356. With this option, you'll be able to host even more events, and depending on the time that you're watching this, you'll be able to get even more discount. If you're watching it during Black Friday, you'll be able to get up to 10% off. While Eventbrite on the other hand is free to use for free events, and when it comes onto paid events, as you can see right here, they'll be taking a fee of 3.7% plus $1.79 per ticket is their standard fee, and premium event marketing tools are available on request. SignUpGenius, on the other hand, offers a free plan, as you can see right there, and their monthly plan begins at $11.99 and it can go up to $59.99. I've included links in the description so you can test out these platforms. In conclusion, which one would I recommend you choose? I would recommend you choose HeySummit if you are running virtual or hybrid summits and you need speaker management, session tracking, and engagement analytics, and you want a professional branded event website. While on the other hand, I would recommend you choose Eventbrite if you are hosting live or ticketed events, whether online or in person, and you want built-in promotion tools and easy ticket handling, and you need mobile check-in and event analytics. And last but definitely not least, I would recommend you choose SignUpGenius if you're organizing school, volunteer, or community events and you want quick, free sign-up forms without complex tools, and you're on a tight budget or need simplicity. If you run both online and offline events, many organizers use HeySummit for virtual events and Eventbrite for in-person ones. Hope you found this comparison helpful. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.